Let's start question number 4, Roman figure 3. We have to factorize this. Okay, solution. 6x squared plus 5x minus 6. Okay, we have to perform the splitting the middle term. So for that, how shall we do? First, let me write here P. P stands for product. We took this coefficient of x squared, that means 6. And here the constant term is minus 6, but leave the minus sign, just take this 6 only. And 6 into 6, we have 36. Okay, so what is the sign of this constant term? Minus. Minus means, let me write here, difference. And what is there? This is 5. Okay, how we are going to find for the two numbers? When we multiply, we are supposed to get 36, but when we subtract, we are supposed to get 5. Okay, 36. Let's see. 36 into 1 is 36. But 36 minus 1 is 35. This is invalid because we want to get 5 when we subtract. Okay, like that, I'll take here 12 into 3 is 36. 12 minus 3 is 9. This also again invalid because I need to get here 5. So like that, let me take here 9 and 4. 9 into 4 is 36. 9 minus 4 is 5. So 9 and 4 are a perfect pair of numbers. So how we are going to write? 6x squared plus, in place of 5, I'm going to write here 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4 means 5. 9 into 4, 36. Then here x, then minus 6. Equal to 6x squared plus 9x minus 4x minus 6. Let me repeat this part. Plus into plus, plus. Plus into minus, minus. 9 into x, 9x. 4 into x, 4x. Okay. So, from these two terms, what can we take common? We can take 3 common and again x common. 3 how much? 6. 3 2 are 6. X into x, x squared. 3 how much? 9. 3 3 9. Okay, x means I have already taken common, so I won't write here 3 again. But what is the sign here? This is minus. Okay, just take here minus. From these two terms, what can we take common? We can take just 2. 2 common. So here 2. 2 how much? 4. 2 2 are 4. Then here x. Minus into what you will get? Minus. Minus into plus, minus. So here plus. And then 2 how much? 6. 2 3 6. We have now twice x plus 3. I have taken this common. Then here the remaining is thrice x minus 2. So here thrice x minus 2. We have the fourth question. Solution. Thrice x squared minus x minus 4. Okay, let me write here P. P means product. It should be given by 3 into 4. 3 into 4, we have 12. Okay, what is the sign of the constant term? This is minus. So, let us take here difference. When it is plus, I will write here sum. When it is minus, I will write here difference. So, what is the coefficient of this x? This is of course minus 1. But leave this minus sign, just take 1 here. We are going to find for the two numbers whose product is 12 and difference is 1. It's quite easy. 4 into 3 is 12. 4 minus 3 is 1. So we are going to split in this way. Thrice x squared minus. In place of this 1, I'm going to write 4 minus 3. Here x, then minus 4. So thrice x squared minus 4. Then x need to multiply here. Minus into minus, we'll get here plus. So thrice x, then minus 4. Okay, let us see. From these two terms, what can we take common? Only x is the common factor. So we'll take here x common. Then remaining is thrice x minus 4. And from the last two terms, can you take anything common? 1 is the only common factor. So what sign is this? Plus. Then just write here directly thrice x minus 4. Don't forget there is always 1. So we'll take here thrice x minus 4. Here thrice x minus 4 common. So thrice x minus 4. Remaining is x. Here plus, I told you there is 1. So plus 1. We have question number 5. Factorize x cube minus twice x square minus x plus 2. So what is the difference between question number 4 and question number 5? In case of the question number 4, every polynomial is quadratic because degree is 2 there. But in question number 5, the degree is 3. Degree 3 means cubic polynomial. So in this case, how are we going to factorize? Okay, let us see. Solution. Let p of x equal to x cube minus twice x square minus x plus 2. So after this, let us see whether the coefficient of this x cube is 1 or not. Yes, it is 1. That means let us proceed. So let us identify what is the constant term here. The constant term is plus 2. Plus 2. Okay. So tell me now, what are the factors of 2? Factors of 2 means those numbers that can divide 2. 1 can divide 2, fine. 2 can divide 2. Okay, these are the factors. So let me write here the factors of constant term. Constant term. What is the constant term? Plus 2. Are, take here both positive negative. 1 I have taken. Next is plus minus 2. Because plus 1 also can divide 2, minus 1 also can divide 2. Therefore, we have to take both positive and negative. Okay, after this, let us find this value. What value? Therefore, we have here plus 1 and minus 1, plus 2 and minus 2. So first, let me take here p of plus 1. This is what? Plus minus 1 means plus 1 and minus 1. So this plus 1, let me put here and check what is the value when x is minus 1. Here I put here 1. What does it mean? When x is 1, what will be the value of the polynomial? So x means here 1 cube minus 2 into 1 square minus 1, then here plus 2. So 1 cube means you'll get 1. 1 square means 1. 1 into 2, you'll get here 2. Then here minus 1. Then we have here plus 2. So minus 2 and plus 2 I cancel. 1 and minus 1 I cancel. So what do we get now? We get here 0. Remember your factor theorem. In the previous questions, in the beginning of the exercise, like we have done this kind of questions, they give one polynomial like this. And there we even learn. And they are telling that you check whether x minus 1 is a factor or not of this p of x. How did we check? First, we find the 0 of this x minus 1. So you'll be definitely getting here 1. So after it, what did you do? In place of this x, you put this 1. And then if you get here 0, then this x minus 1 is a factor. Now when I put here 1 in place of this x, I'm getting here 0. What does it mean? Just reverse only. When it is p of 1 equal to 0, x minus 1 is a factor. Similarly, here also I can write this is actually positive. So therefore, x minus 1 is a factor of p of x. Okay, I'll give you an example here. When you find this p of 1, if you get here just 2 example, when you find here p of 1, instead of getting 0, if you get here 2, then x minus 1 is not a factor. Okay, first we put here p of 1, I get here 0. That means x minus 1 is a factor of p of x. But if you don't get here 0, then what shall we do next? We have taken here plus 1, then next I have to take again minus 1 and check. Once you get 0, then I'll be writing definitely in this way. When it is minus 1, example, when you put here p of minus 1, if you get here 0, then what happen? X plus 1. When it is minus, I have to take here plus. Is the factor of p of x. So when it is positive, I get here 0. Therefore, I take here minus 1. If it is negative, and then I'm getting 0, that means I will take here positive. Just opposite only. Okay, we'll continue. After this, what happened? We have confirmed that x minus 1 is a factor of this p of x, this given polynomial. Okay, so 2 is a factor of 12. That means when 12 is divided by 2, I'm sure your remainder will be 0. And then you will get your quotient. Okay, like that, we're going to divide this p of x by this x minus 1. Okay, I'll continue here now. So let me write on dividing p of x by x minus 1. We get, let us see, x minus 1 will divide x cube minus twice x square minus x plus 2. Okay, now let us divide. So this is what we call dividend, and this is called divisor. In divisor, how many terms? Only 2 terms. In dividend, how many terms? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, similarly, even in the question, we're going to write some terms here. Okay, now the question is, how are we going to find the first term of the quotient? So let's see, first term of the quotient. I'll tell you how to find. Okay, so first you look at the dividend. In this dividend, in which term you find the biggest power of x? I find x cubed in the first term. So this first term you write here. And what about the divisor? In divisor, where do you find the biggest power of x? Of course, here in the first term. So x to the power 1, that means x. X cubed divided by x, you'll be getting how much? X square. This x square is the first term of the quotient. So let me write here x square. But now, what are we going to write? This x square will multiply with x minus 1. And let's see how much we get. X square into x will get here x cube. X square into minus 1 will get here minus x square. Now let us write this here, x cube. So here x cube minus x square. So here minus x square. In division, what do? Every step we subtract. So minus has to multiply here, minus into plus, minus, minus into minus, plus. Now x cube minus x cube, you'll get 0, so I cancel now. Minus 2 plus 1, the new sign will be used. Minus 2 plus 1, minus 2 plus 1, what do you get? You get minus 1. Okay, so here minus x square. Okay, and then we have to bring down this minus x plus 2. Okay, now in the second step, we're going to write the second term of the quotient. This is the first term of the quotient. In the next term, what are we going to write? Okay, so you please look at this. Among these 3 terms, where do you find the biggest power of x? I find in the minus x square. Okay, so let me write now. Second term of the quotient is minus x square divided by this x. And I'm sure you'll be getting here minus x. Now this minus x will multiply to x minus 1. And then how much we'll get? Minus into plus, minus, x into x square, minus x into minus 1. We'll be getting here plus x. So minus x square, then here plus x. And then this minus x, I'll write here. Okay, so this minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus. Minus x square plus x square, you'll be getting 0 here. And then minus x, you'll be getting minus twice x. Then this is plus 2. Okay, then what will be the third term of the quotient? So third term of the quotient. Out of these 2 terms, in which term you find the biggest power of x? In this term. So minus twice x divided by this x. You'll be getting minus 2. So this minus 2 will be written here. Okay, and then minus 2 will multiply with x minus 1. Then we'll be getting minus into plus minus 2 into x twice x minus into minus plus 2 into 1 2. So we have now minus twice x plus 2. Okay, and then what do we get now? Minus becomes plus and plus becomes minus. Minus 2x plus 2x, you'll be getting 0 here. 2 minus 2 will be getting 0. That means I can cancel in this way. So now I get remainder here 0. What happened here now? When x cube minus twice x square minus x plus 2 is divided by x minus 1, the quotient is x square minus x minus 2 and the remainder is 0. Okay, we have one relation now. We even learned this from before. Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. This formula we are going to use now. So let me write here p of x equal to x minus 1, that means divisor. And what is the quotient? Quotient means x square minus x minus 2 plus 0. What is the point of writing plus 0? Because it won't affect anything, so I will just rub this one. Now we're going to factorize this, and that's how we are going to get the answer. But the thing is, this is a quadratic polynomial. So instead of doing here, let me just solve in this portion for this part. So let me write here, then this x square minus x minus 2. We have learned before in question number 4 how to factorize the quadratic polynomial. Okay, so let me show you here. P means this is 1 and this is 2. 1 into 2 is 2. What sign is this? The constant term minus. So difference. What is it? 1. Minus 1, but leave the minus sign. Just take here 1. So when we multiply, we are supposed to get 2. But when we subtract, we are supposed to get 1. That means 2 and 1 only. So x square minus 2 minus 1 x minus 2. So we have now x square minus twice x plus minus into minus plus. So here x minus 2. So from these two terms, we can take x common, then x minus 2. Then from here, you'll get x minus 2. And then x minus 2, then x plus 1. X minus 2 I have taken common. Remaining is x I have written plus, then there should be 1. So we can write x minus 1. In place of this x square minus x minus 2, you can write x minus 2, x plus 1. But let me write this x plus 1 first. Now the answer is completed here.